In this video, I will tell you about Solys Smooth Shave Razor, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So it has been making waves online with promise of close smooth shave at a budget-friendly price, but it is legit or a scam. Let's dive into the review first. The razor boasts an innovative design that claims to provide a smoother shave with fewer nicks and cuts. Its ergonomic handle with multiple blade system are meant to enhance comfort and precision. Some users report a positive experience study as the razor delivers on its promising, giving them a close shave without irritation. However, the concerned customers have expressed disappointment with the razor quality, citing that it feels flimsy or doesn't provide the advertised results. Additionally, customer service reviews are mixed, with some buyers struggling to get refunds or replacement for defective products. Another issue is that the razor is sold primarily online through limited channels, making it harder to verify the complete credibility. There is also limited information about brand background, which can be a red flag. In conclusion, while Solys Smooth Shave Razor may work for some, there are notable concerns about its quality and the company reliability. Be cautious and read customer reviews carefully before making a purchase to ensure they meet your expectation. And that's it.